Oh yes, on this short test ride I can tell immediately that this lower screen will make all the difference. Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. One of the interesting things about experimentation is sometimes experiments don't work, and one recent experiment was I changed the screen on the bike for this Powerbronze opaque black screen, which is a fantastic screen, but it doesn't work for me. And the reason why is because its opacity and the fact that it's so tall means that when I'm on the bike with my chin mounted camera on, which is about here, you can't see anything that's going on the road in front of the bike when I'm riding. So I'm going to have to change and go back to a different screen. And the screen I'm actually going to go back to is the very original screen that came with the bike when I first got it all those years ago. And it's going to need a clean up, but it's a shorter, clear screen. And this is more like an original Funduro screen. Now my bike's a Strada, so this didn't come with the bike new, but it came with the bike when I bought it. So that's what I'm going to do. It's a relatively short job. Just need my trusty little ratchet Allen key wrench, and I'll swap the screens over. Yeah, so this lower screen definitely makes a big difference, I think. Should make be a big improvement to the filming. So to wrap up this little video, just a short one, I hope you found it a little bit interesting about the kind of whole concept, that the way I work around experiments on the bike. And let me know what you think in the comments. Do you do the same kind of thing with your bike? Any experiments you've done that maybe didn't work out, but you learned from it? So in closing, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does make a lot of difference, and it means a lot to me when I get a little bit of positive feedback. So keep riding, drink tea, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.